And welcome along everybody to the best of 2021 moments. Oh my god, this year has gone so quick. So I just had a look before, and for this year I've uploaded 12.5 hours of videos / tutorials, so I'm pretty gassed about that. I think I managed to get a video out every single week apart from a few. Yeah, I know, what a slacker, eh? Across the channel there's been 2 full-length track from scratches, one at the start of the year, the old school dubstep 2010 era track, and then more recently, which I'm still finishing up, the second Bass House start to finish series, which is going so good. Honestly, there probably would have been more. I think I did 4 full ones last year, but this year what's different is I did quite a lot of sampling in mini episodes like Electro Punk, the Burial track from scratch, the Bass House sampling challenge, and so on and so on. So there may have been 2 full series, but there's been a shitload of mini series underneath that. And on top of all that, dropped a banging drum pack called Cobalt Drums, which took forever, but worth it. You know, I love working on drum packs. So from across the channel this year, I put together a mini montage full of the best moments, whether it's headbanging, whether it's bass fades, whether it's making it no sense whatsoever. It was a bit of a laugh to make, so I've done some dumb shit in the videos. Wow. I've got a bunch of different things lined up for 2022. Can't wait to get started on them. Can't wait to share them all with you guys. So yeah, that's right around the corner. In the meantime, take care, and I'll see you guys in 2022. See ya! Oh, that is fucking boot! So, I may have flipped a res tune into a D&B roller. Holy shit. Oh, that's a bit spicy. I'm digging that. I love sound design. Maybe we make this one mono, so it'll be like boom, boom. That's in terms of like stereo width. Roller of a bass line that comes in just like. Next up would be Lord Pure Heroin. Nah. Heroin. But it's sub underneath that going. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is an intervention. Sometimes your sounds just don't need OTT. But then when you hear them with OTT, they sound good. And then when you hear them without OTT, they sound empty. So, okay, we'll keep going with stereo effects actually. We need to make it wider. It is very mono. No, fucking hell. Oh my god, that was a small heart attack. Oh, we're back in business. We Gucci. As I was saying, holy shit. Serum effects. Alright, first things first, Spotify, Magic School Bus. Definitely didn't preload this. Seatbelts, everyone! Fuck off, flanger. It's too resonant-y. It's a little bit too 80s. It hurts my ears. Maybe I'm using it wrong, but nah. Crank it up again. Seatbelts, everyone! Multi-band dynamics. There's no other fucking place for it. Straight to God tier. Where would we be without OTT and its slamming goodness? Sure, I mean you can download X for Records OTT, but the Ableton OTT preset and multi-band is... was like once they got to the middle point, just copy across the first bit and paste on the second. Boom, 5-minute song, easy done. Sick, thanks for the content, James Blake. Please don't copyright strike me. And let's adjust these settings to give us a little bit more. Character. Alright, how does one drums like res? That will be the end of that section. Too much brain. Not enough English. It may be gonna be the one that saves me. It is right. Guys, I can't find it. Oh my god, it's literally right fucking there. The 10-minute roller we made in our 10-minute drum challenge. Nice! You're gonna lose many dynami. Oh, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to possibly the coolest video I'll ever record on this channel. That's it. There it is. Fuck! Oh! What the fuck?
They don't follow the rules, they make them.
Free drop sample. They don't follow the rules, they make them.
For good, for justice, for freedom, for family, for...
Fix and panic. That's fucking bad. Ladies and gentlemen, I have failed this video twice already. The first time it sounded shit. This is fucking failed. What the fuck? Oh! Oh, that's a fucking yo!